This guide will show you how to download and install the eAssessment from the IB on a Windows computer. Clicking on the link provided to you by your teacher, you'll be presented with the option to download the exe file. Click the download button. You'll be warned that the file is too large to be scanned for viruses. It is a safe file, so you can download it anyway. Choose a location that is easy for you to find, either your downloads folder or your desktop. In this case, I'm going to save it to my desktop. When the file has finished downloading, you will see an icon appear on your desktop. Double-click on the icon to begin opening the file. You might be warned that the file is something unrecognized. Click on More Information, and then you have the option to Run Anyway. Click on that button. You'll be presented with the login details which have been provided to you by your teacher. They are ABC 123, candidate code ABC 123, access code 9999. Click the Unlock button to begin. Then enter your first name, last name, and school code as has been provided to you by your teacher. And then click on the Submit button once you've entered your details. I hope this process has been easy to follow and has been helpful for you. Good luck on your tests.